Welcome back. Today I want to talk about how to get started working with crystals and crystal energy. Grounding stones are the first category of crystals and stones that I recommend you start working with. And some of my favorites to work with are black tourmaline, smoky quartz, hematite, shungite, and black kyanite. Once you get your crystals home, choose the best method for cleansing your crystal and your unique gifts. If you're not familiar with how to cleanse your crystals, I've made a video, which I'll put a link to up here, and you can see a couple of the different ways that I cleanse and charge my crystals. After you've cleansed and charged your crystals, grab your meditation mask or sit with your eyes closed and tune into your crystal. You can hold it over your heart chakra, place it on your third eye, or even hold the crystal in front of your mouth. Thank it for journeying from its home deep within the earth and making its way into your home so that you can work with it and become an ally with this crystal energy. Clear your mind to be open to communicating with the crystal energy. Focus on it, tune into it like you're tuning a radio dial. You may feel sensations or see colors and even visions. Allow the crystal energy to work its way around your body so that it can assist you in whatever sort of healing you need in that moment, whether it be spiritual, physical, or mental. If you like to journal, document your meditation and what you experienced. It can be really fun to see how meditating with the same crystal on different days will give you different experiences depending on what's happening in your life. When you finish meditating with your crystal, you can carry it with you for the day or find a home for it. Crystals prefer to be kept and or stored in natural materials like leather, wood, woven baskets, and potting soil at the base of plants. Ultimately, once you've been working with your crystals on a regular basis and are familiar with their energies, you will intuitively be guided to know when you need to cleanse them and when you need to charge them. After you've worked with your grounding stones and you feel comfortable with their energies, I recommend working with the following crystals: satin spar, clear quartz, rose quartz, and amethyst. But feel free to work with the crystals that have called out to you. I hope that gives you some guidance to start working with your crystals. If you have any questions or if you have ideas for future videos that you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.